Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G and today's video. Today we're going to be making a spring Easter themed card and I'm going to be using these Memento inks. You can get them in different sets, you can get them individually. This is a spring themed set. It has Summer Sky, New Sprout, Lulu Lavender and Angel Pink. Now I'm going to turn, I'm not going to use blending, I am simply going to use them as is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these into Easter eggs, because when you stamp them out, they do resemble to a degree an Easter egg. And if you have an orange one, you could really easily make these look like carrots. Just put a bit of if you've got a green leaf stamp, you could put a green leaf stamp on there and it would really look like a carrot, because it has that shape. So I'm going to use all four on this particular, and this is a 6x6 card. My insert, which I'm stamping on now, is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, and then the pink insert is 6x6. So that's all I need that for, so I can put those aside now. I've also got this Recollections pack of fabric tape, and it's self-adhesive, and I'm probably going to use, I think I might use this blue gingham. I'm going to use this blue gingham because of the blue egg on there, and I'm going to put that on my card. And I'm going to use my table. Obviously make sure that your inks are all dry. Right, so I'm going to put mine on my table to help me make sure that this is level. I'm going to peel off the ribbon. As I said, this is self-adhesive, which I really like actually. Right, there we go. And I'm going to put the ribbon on the card as straight as possible, from left to right and then from top to bottom, so they overlap, almost like a gift wrapping. And then turn the excess over, because it's all self-adhesive. Okay, so I'm going to put that to one side for now. Now, using my scraps, I'm going to cut a scalloped edge circle die. Now this circle die is approximately 2.5 inches, and my circle die is 2 inches, so that will nestle in like that. But I just need the pink in the scallop, so I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use a contrasting colour to match my card for the insert here, so I'll do that off camera. Okay, so I have my scallop circle and I have my, so like that. So that's going to become part of a rosette. One thing I do need is I need some rosette tails, so I'm going to go back to the ribbon I was using, and I'm going to cut 3 different lengths, and I'm going to dovetail them. So I'm simply just going to fold the outer edge in together and then cut to a point to the edges. So I'm folding the ribbon into itself, so the outer edges are together, and then from the middle I'm cutting towards the edges, like so. Okay, let's bring the card base back over. And going to the longest one. And I'm going to place this, all three, on my card. And using some foam adhesive, I'm going to put some foam on the back. I'm going to take that off and place the rosette in the center here. Now, using Meme stamp set Hair Peaking, I'm going to be using the sentiment Spring Greetings. So I'm going to stamp that in black Memento onto the blue stitch circle die cut, and then I'm going to adhere that with the art glitter glue onto my rosette. Now, one thing I want to do is I want to just circle round edge two of my corners. I do like to do that with my cards. I just think it gives it some added specialty. So again, my insert, which is 6 by 6, my top insert will be 5 3/4 inches, and then I have my card base, which is 6 by 6. I have done some C6 examples. Now, C6 is the British standard size, but it's about 1/4 of an inch larger than your A2 in America and elsewhere, so there's not a great deal of difference in their size. So let's put the first insert on, and then the main card insert, the decorative insert. And then we have a very simple card. And like I said, I've done it in a few different designs. So these are just squared edges, but I think because of the egg shape, having that curve really does help. So there's one using just the Lulu and I use the Lulu Lavender and the Angel Pink on this one, all 4 colours on that one. On this 6 by 6 I use the New Sprout and the Summer Sky, and then on these are the C6 cards. And what I've done is use some scrap pieces of paper, and as you can see, I've just put them on there. But I think they turn out really cute, and they're very quick to mass produce. So if you recreate this, please come over to Create at Home with G and share your creation. In fact, come and share any creation that you're currently doing, and we'll happily have you. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and I will see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.